In this video, we will show you how to delete an Uber Eats account. If you guys want to get started with Uber Eats, you can use the links down in the description. First, before contacting Uber support, try deleting your Uber Eats account through the links provided below. Note, if you have a rider account with the same details, deleting your Uber Eats account will also delete the rider account. Now, before you can proceed with deleting your account, Uber will ask you to verify your identity by entering a temporary verification code. This may require a phone number attached to your account. If you're unable to add a phone number to your account settings, follow the necessary steps to update it. Next, if you have an outstanding payment on your Uber Eats account, you must clear the payment before you can delete your account. After completing these steps, your account will be immediately deactivated. Then, after 30 days, it will be permanently deleted along with any associated data. Any unused credit, promotions, or reward will also be removed. Please note that Uber may retain certain information after account deletion as required or permitted by law. If you change your mind and want to keep your account, simply sign in at ubereats.com within 30 days to restore it. If you still need help deleting your account, please follow up with the provided instruction. So that's how to delete Uber Eats account. Make sure to use the links down in the descriptions to get started with Uber Eats. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.